Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you've been creating something amazing. I am jumping on. I've been playing around with all kinds of blanks. I just created several different designs, and I hope you like them. I'm going to show you what I did, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing with them. Hopefully give you some ideas of what to do with your blanks when you have them or whatever you have on hand. You've seen a pair of earrings that I did a video ago, a little while ago, not too long ago. This is one of the new blanks that's on the website right now, and this video, I actually just released a video showing how I did these, and this is another one of the designs that I created. So today I'm not sure if I'm going to create. I want to, but I want to show you what I got going on my table here. Now, all of the blanks that you see here have been stained. They all look like this. If you purchase them, they're going to come like this, but I want to show you what you can do with just some stain for any of your blanks to elevate them, okay? Let me show you the blanks, and then I will show you what I did to them as it comes up. So here's one pair. This is on the website too. I just posted these, and I want to let you guys know that it's going to be either weekly or bi-weekly. I will be releasing a new pair of blanks on my website. Now, if you want to get an early bird opportunity to purchase, you have to be subscribed to my website. And what's going to happen is I'll be sending out about a week before I release the newest blank. I'll be notifying those of you who are subscribed to my website. So you got to subscribe in order to be able to be the first to purchase the newest blank every single time I release one. So that's one. This one's on there already. I haven't started that. That's going to probably start I'll start July 1st, which is not too long from here. July 1st, I'll send an email to all the subscribers of my website, letting them know when the next release of blank is going to be there. And then you guys will have the opportunity. I'll give you a code, and you'll have the opportunity to purchase early. Otherwise, everybody's going to have to wait until it is on the website already. All right, so that's on the website. This one's on the website. You guys have seen this one. This is something that was featured in Darlene by BDK, by Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. And I was playing around with some paints, and I'll show you what this paint is. Here's another blank. This is not yet on the website. This may be one of those that I do on the early release. This is another. And basically what I did, I stained these brown. So I'll show you exactly what it looks like. And this right here can be, some people want this exact look, stained wood earrings. And there's nothing wrong with that. That just makes it easier for you. And then I stained these. This was a brown marker. This is a gray stain. So you can do a lot with these. These are another pair that I have stained with some metallic permanent marker. So this one is copper Sharpie, right? And what I did was I did the edges too. So for you and any other blank that you have, you can make this just a simple drop earring, or you can wrap this with wire, which I think I'm going to do at some point. And I did the edges, and this is actually bronze, not copper, bronze. And so now you have faux bronze earrings, right? It's not metal, it's lightweight. That's a design that's coming soon. This one's already on the website. I have 2 versions, actually 3 versions of spirals on the website, 2 circles, and the other one is more of a more organic look. And I just stained these on both sides. Let's see what else we got. Oh, these are my 2 favorites. Now, I don't know if you thought, and when I laid these down, I was like, oh my God, look at that. Those could be a pair of earrings right there. If you think that's a good idea, let me know, but they're really separate, right? And I was playing around with the evil eye. The eye is scored into the blank. Let me see. Let me give you one that's not been, and it's up to you how you want to use it. So you've got the eye that's scored into the blank, and then you have kind of a engraving there, which mimics eyelashes. So when you stain it, it does kind of make it hard to see, but you can see it as the person creating. So I decided, my hand was a little heavy here, and I'm not a painter, guys. By no means, this is a wacky, wacky, wacky looking one. And then I got a little bit better, and I was practicing. So I made some copper eyelashes, some black metallics eyelashes, and at the tips there's gold. So I was just playing around. So there's those. Those are coming soon as well. And then these are coming soon. So it's got almost like a moon type design. And I put some gold paint on there, and I'll show you the paints that I'm using, that I used on these. But I think I might sell these as a set. I don't know. Y'all give me your opinion. But these are really, really cute. Now that I see them together, I might have to do something with those. They'll be pretty big at that size. Everything that I'm showing you, with the exception of this one, is 2 inches. All of the blanks will be available in 2.5 and 3 inches. Here's another couple of pieces that I did. Now, this is very organic. You can see the shape. It doesn't look like much. Neither one of them look like much. Let me see. I don't think I have them over here. Neither one of these look like much without the dressing. So you have to have an imagination with these. I have not released these yet either, but this is me playing around with some of the really organic looking blanks that are coming soon. And so if you don't have any stones, you can wrap your pieces, your wood blanks. This is stained with black marker, and this is stained with green, and I just used copper wiring. This one, here's this one's coming soon as well. It's looks a little different, and that's why I create these, because they are unique and different. No one else will have them when you have your events. Here's another one. It looks like a plain triangle, but it has these holes, and I have some ideas of what to do with these holes, so keep watching on this channel. When I created this, I had an idea that I wanted to do with these holes. So I don't want to give it away, but that's coming soon. And then here's another one that I didn't do the edges, but I did the edges on this one. And so that's this one. Now, all 3 of these are permanent Sharpie marker. So this one's silver. This one is gold. And this one is bronze. And they are simple, simple, simple earpieces that earrings you can make, stain, and go. But what I really like is that you have you can make a bunch of these in wood stain, just like that. And I think there would be, it's more of an elegant look. And that's my goal, is to give you guys something that's boutique ready and elegant. Something not everyone is doing. And just stand apart. All right, here's another pair that I was thinking I was going to work on while we are sitting here. So let me move this. This is another organic, almost a spiral that I put some paint on, and I'm getting ready to resin. It's stained brown, and I think that brown and gold, oh my God, beautiful. Black and gold is beautiful, but brown and gold is just luxury. Look at that. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is put some resin on here. I'm gonna make that a different video, but this is another shape that will be coming soon, and you can just keep it stained or do your thing with it. So again, just to let you know, I will be doing an early release notification to all of those that are subscribed to my website. You get the first dibs to purchase any of my new releases as long as you are subscribed. And if you just want to wait, then that's fine too. You'll probably have to wait another week or so. I think the subscribers to the website will get that 1 week early bird. And then you'll see me using these over the next few videos on how I envisioned them being used while I was creating them. If you have a shape or a size or something that you would love to see me create, you and I can do something custom. Reach out to me directly, and I aim to be your blanks provider so that you don't have to create the same old everyday earrings. And hopefully what you're seeing here is giving you a little bit of inspiration, and hopefully you're looking forward to all the designs. This is nowhere near how many I have coming. So stay tuned, guys, and go create something amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.